Today we have a video of a 1997 Okuma Howa ACT-35 M with live milling. Machine has a FANUC 18T control, ATS S35 collet closer, 3 live tools. It's got a tailstock. It's got a chip conveyor, full C axis. We're going to run it now. That's Z. And X. Machine has 3-inch bar capacity. That's a 12-position turret that's indexing currently. Comes with all the tool holders mounted on the turret and the tools in the photos. Live tool at 500 RPM. 1000 RPM on the live tool. That's 1500 RPM on the live tool. Now we'll run the main. Thousand RPM, 1500, that's 2000 RPM. The maximum on this machine is 3500. Okay, and there's the hours of the machine. It's got 11,277 cut hours. Machine runs well, can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.